BIOBASE Group, with the mission of promoting the great cause of human health and beauty, takes the customer as center and the driver as foundation, provides comprehensive products, solutions, and system services in the fields of medical devices, laboratories, purification engineering, cosmetics, and other fields. BIOBASE currently has 25 industrial factories, and products are sold to more than 190 countries, serving myriad medical institutions around the world, reducing industry costs, pursuing the lowest price across the entire network as the goal, and providing high-quality product supply system are the core values of BIOBASE. Therefore, we only produce and sell the high cost-effective products. In the field of medical devices, BIOBASE insists on the development and manufacturing of comprehensive products and provides high-quality products and services for clinical lab, pathology departments, smart pharmacies, pharmacy intravenous admixture services, disinfection supply centers, neonatology departments, rehabilitation departments, inpatient wards, etc. As the world's excellent lab equipment manufacturer, BIOBASE provides comprehensive solutions for the laboratory construction of medical institutions, scientific research, biomedical industry, animal husbandry, food, customs, etc. At this moment, BIOBASE products are serving myriad laboratories around the world. BIOBASE has been deeply engaged in purification project for more than 20 years and has been widely recognized by users with its excellent design, standardization, and safety. BIOBASE has become the mainstay in the upsurge of new medical infrastructure.
BIOBASE has an advantage in the field of cosmetics layout. The products are characterized by high-quality assurance and high sense of experience, with a fully open concept.
BIOBASE shares high-quality resources with partners to provide brand, raw materials, R&D customization, testing, production, products, and other services. One plus BIOBASE, BIOBASE shares a beautiful career with you. Service, health, future. At this moment, BIOBASE is making unremitting efforts in the great process of promoting human health and beauty with a vigorous vitality and growth.